Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. Tonight we're going to make some coffee rubbed, it's going to be a dry rub, pork spare ribs on the grill. These things look so good. Last night I was walking through the supermarket and saw them, and I swear they were calling my name. No matter what my wife says, they were calling my name. So anyway, I'm putting together a special blend of all my herbs and spices. They're gonna be awesome. There's cocoa, there's coffee, there's brown sugar, there's chili, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, regular paprika, allspice. Like I said, you know, this is a nice little array of flavors, and it's gonna knock it right out of the ballpark. I have to give a call out to Ryan and Lori Sherwood. Two great people that I met recently. You know, all the cabinets in this kitchen are craft made. Love them, absolutely love them. Of course, they're high quality cabinets. And as much as we tried to maximize every square inch of this kitchen, we're still running out of room. I like my gadgets, as you can tell. So anyway, I stop in, I meet Ryan, and I tell him my dilemma. I want to convert my broom closet over to shelving space. I need it. I mean, the beast is too hard to get out from under the cabinet over there. I had a mixer in another cabinet, which, you know, was a little trying to get to. So anyway, Ryan to the rescue. The man knows his stuff. Step on over here. Check this out. I mean, I've got the beast up here with all its accessories. I've got my mixer under there. I've got the spiralizer. I've got my extra bowls, and I've got my crepe maker. Every one of these things, I'm perfectly able to get my hands on immediately when I want it, instead of trying to twist this around and whatever. So Ryan, you're the man. Thank you so much on behalf of me and my wife and my back. So anybody that needs cabinets, you really want to check them out. Cypress Creek Cabinetry, Ocala, Florida. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Okay, and we're back. Anyway, I saw this beautiful slab of pork spare ribs. I've been drying them out, and I do want to show you one thing. When you buy these, there's a membrane right here that's not hard to get to. You just start it anywhere over here, but you want to take this off. This does nothing for the meat. I don't know why the butchers don't take that off immediately, but most of them don't. With that, I want to trim up just a little bit of this fat. There's not a whole lot on here, and basically I'm just going to do it with my fingers. If I can take it off like this, that's what I want to take off. Everything else is pretty much going to burn off. Nice. Yeah. That looks pretty good. I'm not worried about that. Even this little piece here, that'll be fine. Yeah, that's pretty. So, with that, I'm going to start off with plenty of olive oil. Now these have been sitting at room temperature, and as you can see, I washed them off and I put them on a paper towel on purpose so that they would, you know, all the moisture would come off them. I want them to be dry so that they can absorb all the herbs and spices. And I'm going to set these aside, and we're going to put together our rub. So put these right here. They'll sit pretty for now, and I'm going to wash my hands and we'll be right back. Okay, now let's make some dry rub. First, we're going to start off. I'm getting about 1/4 cup of finely ground coffee. Smells good. Now I have 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You know, I would love brown sugar. Put those together. Now, half of these are going to be, there's so many ingredients, yeah, I might not remember all of them. But anyway, garlic powder, cocoa, come on, onion powder, pepper, salt, chili powder, paprika, smoked paprika, allspice, cayenne pepper. Who would have known? Who would have known? Anyway, we got to mix all this up. Okay, we're going to have a few lumps in there from the brown sugar, but when we start rubbing them in, it's not going to make any difference. I recycle my little spice jars. So easy to, this way here I can put a label on it, and how's that for? You'd almost think I knew what I was doing. Pretty cool. Okay, put a little sifter on there, and see that? Now I can make it, you know, Count David's spare rib coffee rub. Find it in your, you won't find it in your local grocery stores, but you can make it at home. Recipe will be at www.cookingwiththecount.com. Okay, let's see. We want to get this dry rub on there really, really good. As you can see, I'm putting it on fairly thick. I can smell that coffee. It smells so good. Get that right into that meat. When I first met my wife, she didn't like coffee. So I mixed it with cocoa or chocolate. Now she drinks more coffee than I do, and she doesn't use the chocolate. Matter of fact, she doesn't use really anything in her coffee except for just a little bit of milk. She's a coffee connoisseur. And again, we want a nice healthy dose of coffee on this side. These are going to have a little bit of a kick. Now, I would say we're going to wrap these for, oh, probably an hour or two in Saran wrap. A little bit more olive oil. And as much as I love a dry rub, I don't like a dry rib. And I noticed that as the olive oil works into the meat, it makes it really good and tender. So as you can see, it's looking pretty good. We're going to wrap these in plastic, like I said, Saran wrap, for about an hour. And they're going to be ready for the grill. I'm looking forward to it. See you shortly. The coffee is starting to change the color of this. This really looks awesome. So with that, I want to put it on a nice hot grill, get this seared a little bit, and then we're going to turn the temperature down and just let it slow cook. It's going to be delicious. We'll be back. Okay, we've got our grill on about 500 degrees. We're gonna get these right on the heat. Oh yeah. That's what you call cooking with gas. I'm gonna sear these on both sides. Get those juices trapped in them. And then after, we're gonna drop this temperature down a little bit. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's looking good. That's what you call coffee infused ribs. Not for breakfast anymore. We'll be back. As you can see, they're looking pretty good. Flip them over again. Okay, it looks like it's ready to come off. This thing is looking pretty gosh darn good. And even the bones are coming off. So we'll shut down this grill. We're gonna let those sit for about 10 or 15 minutes to even out. Love you, girl. That's been the best grill in the world. We'll be back. These are looking good. So let me plate some of these up. I think this is gonna be a feast. I'll be right back. A little salt on the tomatoes. And the sweet potatoes, nah, add a little salt to everything. I love salt. Anyway, this is what our plate looks like. I think you'll have to agree. Looks pretty darn good to me. Can't wait to dig in and try this. Anyway, so with that, thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. Like I said, don't forget Ryan and Lori. If you need any cabinet work or whatever, give them a call. They're good people. They'll treat you right. Cypress Creek Cabinetry, Ocala, Florida. Have a good night. Once again, thank you. If you like this recipe, it's going to be on www.cookingwiththecount.com. God bless and bon appetit. Way to go. Good night, all.